Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I hope you all are doing well, continuing to stay safe and healthy. I miss all of you so very much. I was just telling Mr. Miller last night that I just miss you guys so much. I just wish we were back in the classroom together. I know this is what we have to do to keep everyone safe, but I think about you guys all the time. I talk about you guys all the time. I love sharing your writing with Mr. Miller too. He enjoys me reading the stories to him and the journal entries that you guys share with me each day. So, thank you again for working so hard and continuing to learn and grow to prepare for first grade. So, I hope you guys enjoyed Earth Day yesterday, and I hope you guys were able to enjoy the beautiful sunshine outside yesterday for Earth Day. That was so perfect. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the activities also. I saw some amazing hundreds charts yesterday. I was so proud of you guys for that recycle hundreds chart activity. You guys did so awesome filling in the numbers. And I changed up, I already had next week planned. Then I got this great idea of this game I wanted to make for you guys. So I made a little hundreds chart game that you guys are going to be seeing next week to continue to practice the hundreds chart. So, anyways, I don't think I have anything too much more to share with you. Oh, wait, I forgot. We actually have something super amazing to share with you. So, we have a celebration in our class that needs to happen. Yesterday, I logged into iRead to check your guys' progress and to see how you're progressing through iRead, and I saw that one of our friends in our class completed all of level A on iRead, all of kindergarten iRead. So normally in class we get to celebrate together. We're going to do a virtual celebration. I was able to send him a personal video yesterday to congratulate him. So everyone, please congratulate Alessandro. We're going to give a big clap for Alessandro. He has worked so hard to finish level A, and we are so very proud of you, Alessandro. So if you're able to give him a little encouragement in the comment section today, that would be super fun for him to read. Just a congratulations or a way to go, Alessandro. He has worked so hard. So amazing job finishing all of kindergarten iRead, Alessandro. We are super proud of you. So now let's move on to today's question of the day. So I have this resource where I have all of these just random questions that I could be asking you, and I already had one planned for today, but then Mr. Miller and I had this event happen last night, and I decided that I was going to change my question of the day to match what happened. So here's what happened. Mr. Miller's been asking me to bake him chocolate chip cookies for a few days now. He keeps telling me that I haven't made them in so long. It's been like a week, 2 weeks, maybe tops. And so he's saying that he really wants me to make him chocolate chip cookies. And he's been asking me and asking me. So finally last night I made him the chocolate chip cookies that he wanted. And of course, when he eats the chocolate chip cookies, he likes to have it with a glass of milk. He doesn't necessarily dunk the cookies, he just likes to drink the milk. Mr. Miller loves milk. He drinks milk for dinner every single night. He drinks a couple glasses of milk a day. He loves milk. I do not like milk at all. Do not like it. I will eat it in cereal. I do love cereal. I could have cereal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I love cereal. But I will not drink the milk afterwards. I will not drink a glass of milk. Absolutely no way. Like green eggs and ham. Would not, could not in a box. Would not, could not with a fox. No milk for Mrs. Miller. I do not like it. Do not like milk. And so it got me thinking because even though Mr. Miller knows that I do not like milk, he still proceeds to ask me anytime he has a glass of milk if I want one. Every time. Mr. Miller and I have been together for almost 9 years. And that's longer than any of you have ever even been alive because you guys are 6 years old. So it's been a long time, almost 9 years. And still, he knows I don't like milk. And he still asks me all the time if I want a glass of milk. And I'm like, I don't like milk. So it really is like the green eggs and ham, isn't it? He just keeps asking all the time. And he's convinced that maybe one time when we're having a cookie that I will say yes, but I don't like milk. So, last night, as per usual, He had his cookies, he had his glass of milk, and he asked me if I wanted a glass of milk. No, thank you. I don't like milk, is what I said. And so and his response is always the same. How can you not like milk? Milk is so good. I'm like, we've been over this 875,000 times. I don't like milk. So his response is always the same. Everybody likes milk. I'm like, you're wrong because I don't like milk. So I told him that I was going to ask all of you in the question of the day today if you like milk. And we are going to see how many of you like milk and how many of you do not like milk. So I thought it would be kind of fun to share that little personal story with you guys instead of just throwing a random question out there. So today's question of the day is, do you like milk? And Mr. Miller and I are going to come together at the end of the day today, and we're going to see if more of you do like milk or more of you do not like milk. We're going to compare. We're going to compare which number is greater, which number is less than, and we're going to see how many of you like milk. So answer that question. Do you like milk? I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. I have a whole tray of cookies downstairs, and he's probably going to be munching on them all day, which means he's inevitably going to be drinking milk, and he's probably going to ask me at least 5 times today if I want milk. And guess what? I don't want milk. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful Thursday. Please reach out to me if you need anything at all. I'm always here to support you. And I will be checking in on you guys later. And don't forget to let Alessandro know congratulations for finishing all of kindergarten, Irene. Bye, guys.